Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how the Porsche 911 is made. We'll explore the intricate journey from raw materials to a finished sports car. You'll discover how precision engineering meets artisanal skill, ensuring every detail is perfect. We'll cover the key stages, from body construction to final testing, highlighting the dedication behind this iconic vehicle. Get ready to see the meticulous process that creates a true automotive legend. The journey begins with the body shell, a marvel of engineering. It's crafted from a precise mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, ensuring both lightness and rigidity. Advanced robots perform thousands of welds with incredible accuracy, forming the car's robust skeleton. Following this, the body enters the paint shop, where it receives several layers of paint, meticulously applied for a deep, lasting finish and protection. Next, the heart of the 911, its iconic flat-six engine, comes to life. Skilled technicians meticulously hand-assemble each engine, a testament to precision and performance. Simultaneously, the interior takes shape. Premium materials are carefully fitted, creating a luxurious and ergonomic cabin designed for the driver. Advanced electronics and sophisticated infotainment systems are then seamlessly integrated, blending technology with comfort. In the final assembly stage, the powertrain, chassis, and painted body are brought together, transforming into a complete vehicle. This is where all the intricate parts become one cohesive machine. Before leaving the factory, every single Porsche 911 undergoes extensive testing, including a dynamic road test on a dedicated track. Over 1,000 rigorous quality checks ensure each car meets Porsche's exacting standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.